Eliminate the middleman and get people paid faster. That's the bottom line in a proposed fix for EDD, the Employment Development Department. EDD somehow paid billions of dollars to criminals while delaying unemployment benefits for real workers. Let's turn to consumer investigator Chmura. Boy, this is a mess. Can it be corrected?
Good evening. Some say yes. We first highlighted a proposed fix early in the pandemic. Well, now that possible solution is taking shape and could even become state law.
Things are going to get worse before they get better.
Abrupt.
Nearly 7 million people are waking up to a shelter-in-place order.
And unprecedented.
We have never faced anything like this.
COVID-19 triggered the most sudden economic downturn in U.S. history.
Restaurant owners very nervous.
Millions lost work.
They're restricting hours.
And urgently turned to unemployment benefits to immediately put money in the bank for bills.
We need help right now.
But people like Jason Fishman quickly learned California's unemployment lifeline is not a direct line to their bank accounts. The state does not do direct deposit. It only pays unemployment benefits by paper check or debit card.
The card itself is a joke.
Say you need to pay the rent or mortgage. You have to either withdraw cash at an ATM or set up a transfer to a separate bank account, which might take a day or two. California's unemployment debit card is more than just a sluggish inconvenience. It's also an Achilles heel.
They started coming on August 27th.
Unsuspecting applicants like Paloma Dooley received stacks of cards.
6 debit cards.
And none of those are yours.
None of them are mine because I've had mine since March.
Fraudsters tricked the EDD's application system, got a hold of countless debit cards, and bilked the state.
We can't estimate exactly how much it will end up being, but we're pretty confident it's going to be in the billions, probably tens of billions of dollars.
Why does California use a debit card anyway? Well, some people don't have a bank account, so the debit card pays them faster than a paper check. But for most people who do have bank accounts, the debit card is slower and less secure. So why not offer direct deposit? We asked the Employment Development Department, but it didn't respond.
Many other states use debit cards too, but we checked all 50 states and found 47 of them offer direct deposit. Only Maryland, Nevada, and California don't.
It should not be that way.
Back in May, San Jose travel planner Stacy Wolken opened our eyes to delays and fees with the debit card. She was first to speak up for fast and free direct deposit.
Governor Newsom, do direct deposit.
He didn't, but
it's not asking for a lot.
The legislature might. Assemblymember Lorena Gonzalez has authored Assembly Bill 74, which would require the EDD to offer direct deposit.
I think people are fed up, and it's time to give our constituents the same thing that the majority of Americans have, and that's the ability to have direct deposit with their unemployment insurance.
Gonzalez's bill has support from several Bay Area lawmakers.
If a debit card is keeping people from getting their money, it's not working.
And even Bank of America appears to be on board with ending the debit card fiasco. Despite an exclusive contract with the state for an amount of money EDD hasn't shared with us, a Bank of America spokesperson told us we are supportive of adding direct deposit. However, in the state Senate, a word of caution about giving EDD more responsibility.
Realistically, do you want them to have access to your bank account when they've substantially failed in delivering benefit?
State Senator Shannon Grove says EDD's record with crooks gives her pause. After all, the state auditor just found EDD allowed 80 claims to be sent to just one mailing address, along with more than $300,000 to that one address.
I think we should definitely reform EDD first before we move to direct deposit.
If you think the state should give unemployed workers access to direct deposit like 47 other states do, you can let your assembly member and state senator know. We can help you find them. We just put a link on our website. Go to NBCBayArea.com, then click the Response option from the main menu.